this video, I want to show how you can do the same thing in MATLAB. Why do I want to use MATLAB to do it? Because I want to do FEA based optimization. Then I need simple and effective way to change the geometry. For now, I just click the space to make this geometry, but it's not accurate. As you can see, it's not a perfect scale. And also, if I want to move this magnet location or want to change the size of the magnet, I will have to go back here and delete this dots and draw it again. It's tedious, and for this type of model you can probably do it, but if the model gets complicated as like this, it's better to use some script that can input some variable that represent the geometry and do that automatically. The MATLAB can do this automatically. So we want to call this from MATLAB. To do that, you need additional steps. Configuration. So MATLAB doesn't know FEMM exists in their path, so we need to add this by typing this on the command line. This is your directory that you chose to set up FEMM, and you can add a path. Then what you will see is you can call FEMM from MATLAB. Do this and this. You can open the documents, you can set up the path to save the file name. Now it's untitled, but if I run this is saved in this path as a magnet with iron. Now what you can do is to generate the dots using MATLAB script. So I want to generate negative 50 x. Here you can see the coordinate at the bottom bar is negative 50 and 0 for y. You can also do this by this, but it's better to use script for the reason why I explained. Now I want to generate another dots here, and I want to connect these two, and this commands is something you can find in the help manual. You can go through this manual to find how to use find out how to use these commands, or you can just simply learn it by doing things. So this command generates a new node at x and y. So you can read this and learn it. Now I want to generate a square, so I need to draw a dot here, and draw segments. You can see it looks a bit complicated, and maybe it's better for drawing a square. Just click a dot and add a line, but once you make this into a function, something like this, it's much more convenient and fast. Here I define a function that is input x1 y1. I tell this with x1 y1 x2 y2. So if I input the coordinate of x1 y1 and x2 y2, they will put a dot, 4 dots for me, and draw the segments. So I can do something like this. I want to have a magnet that is 10 millimeter in things. Oh, so every unit you will see in the FEMM is in you can define it here, but I want to choose millimeter. So run it, then you can draw magnets, and you can also define how much depth you want to have. I chose 50 millimeter. Now you can add the material. First, I want to add the material into the library here. Magnet, air, iron. Then I want to add material property. Now this is magnet and this is iron. And I want to draw a boundary. And FEMM does automatically generate mesh, so I can just analyze and run the analysis. Then I can also calculate force. Here you can see it's 56.71 Newton. Now I want to change the I want to do this in the next video.